Hey, kitchen enthusiasts, welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're diving into the details of the JOOM Black Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer. If you're considering an upgrade for your kitchen, this review is for you. Let's get started. Unboxing and first impressions. First, let's see what's inside the box. The JOOM Kitchen Faucet comes well packaged with the faucet itself, an installation guide, and all necessary mounting hardware. The matte black finish immediately stands out, giving it a sleek and modern look. Right away, the quality of the materials feels premium. The matte black finish not only looks stylish, but is also designed to resist fingerprints and water spots. Design and aesthetic appeal. Now, let's talk about the design. The JOOM faucet boasts a high-arc spout and clean, contemporary lines. Its black finish complements a variety of kitchen styles, from modern to classic. The high-arc design not only looks good but is also practical, providing plenty of space to fill large pots and pans. The faucet swivels 360 degrees, offering maximum flexibility, features and functionality. Powerful faucet sprayer. The JOOM Kitchen Faucet, a robust wide spray to eliminate stubborn residues, a gentle aerator stream for delicate fruit rinsing, and a sweeping spray for extensive coverage. Unmatched flexibility. The kitchen faucet provides unparalleled flexibility with a 360 swivel spout and a retractable PEX hose. Single-handed control. The single-handle mechanism empowers you to control water temperature and flow volume with one hand. Free up the other hand for multitasking, transforming kitchen chores into fluid, time-efficient activities. Premium craftsmanship. The Waterfall Kitchen Faucet. Crafted from eco-friendly SUS 300 for stainless steel, it resists corrosion and rust. No plumbers needed. Designed for your convenience, the faucet for the kitchen sink comes with a pre-attached deck plate and pre-installed hoses. Installation and performance. Installing the JOOM faucet is straightforward and hassle-free. It comes with pre-attached water lines and a quick connect system, making it a DIY-friendly project. In terms of performance, the faucet delivers a strong and consistent water flow. Whether you're using the stream or spray function, it's designed to make your kitchen tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Pros and cons. Pros: stylish design. The matte black finish and sleek lines make it a great addition to any kitchen. Functionality. Two spray modes offer versatility for different tasks. Ease of installation. Comes with a quick connect system for easy DIY installation. Performance. Consistent water pressure and smooth operation. Cons. Height. The high-arc design might not be ideal for kitchens with low-hanging cabinets. Sprayer hose. The pull-down hose could be a bit longer for more reach. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons for this faucet. So there you have it, our review of the JOOM Black Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer. If you're looking for a stylish and functional upgrade, this faucet is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.